Hair is a protein filament that grows from follicles found in the dermis. Hair growth begins inside the hair follicle. The only living portion of the hair is found in the follicle. The hair that is visible is the hair shaft, which exhibits no biochemical activity and is considered dead. The base of a hair's root, the bulb, contains the cells that produce the hair shaft. Other structures of the hair follicle include the oil-producing sebaceous gland, which lubricates the hair, and the erector pili muscles, which are responsible for causing hairs to stand up. In humans with little body hair, the effect results in goosebumps. 20 facts about human hair. 1. The longest hair grows in a person in his youth, 14–17 years. Later, they become shorter and thinner. This happens after every hair change too. The shape of the hair is determined by the hair sac. 3. Hair grows faster in the morning and evening, slower at other times of the day, and at night, hair does not grow at all, and also hair grows faster in summer than in winter. 4. In a day, hair grows by 0.4 millimeters, in 1 month, by 1.2 centimeters, in 1 year, by 15–16 cm. 5. If you combine all the body hair into one hair, then it would grow within a minute by 116 millimeters, in 10 minutes 116 centimeters, and in 1 hour, by 7 meters, and in 1 day, by 168 meters. 6. Blondes have approximately 120,000 hairs on their heads, 100,000 for brunettes, and 80,000 for redheads. 7. Hair is replaced immediately and imperceptibly, and for the most part this occurs inside the hair sac. 8. Hair has the ability to absorb moisture, and each hair can attract an amount of water equal to 1/3 of its mass. 9. Hair can be stretched to 1/3 of its own length, and also it can withstand a load weighing up to 100 grams. 10. The width of the hair on the head can be from 0.05 to 0.1 millimeters. 11. The hair is very durable, and can be compared with aluminum. 12. Hair does not like alkaline compounds, but it is quite resistant to weak acids. 13. Hair lives on average, on the head of a man 2 years, a woman 5 years. 14. Hair can accumulate certain substances, which allows them to be used as an identifier. 15. Black people have the largest hair, they are 3 times thicker than fair-skinned people. 16. In children, the first hair appears on the 4th–5th month of the mother's pregnancy. 17. With age, hair becomes less and shorter. 18. After hair loss from the same follicle, 20 pieces of new hair can grow sequentially over a lifetime. On a day, a person loses 50 to 100 hairs normally. 19. Cilia live an average of 3 months. 20. The amount of hair, its thickness, density and color are predetermined genetically. Therefore, it is widely believed that haircuts and shaving can make the hairstyle thicker, a delusion.